is catching dogs right now.
It feels like the first time. It feels like the very first time. It feels like the first.
I'll be calling some people out, as you can tell. There's a lot of people out here, and they're doing money runs. What? Look at them all. Look at them all. Look at all these degenerates street racing. So they're doing high dollar runs tonight, and you know the kind of guy I am. I got a few dollars that I'm willing to spare. $5. $5. Good God, there's a lot of
$5 or what? $5 or what?
I don't know, many things. Dude, there was like everyone looking at me.
He's coming, he's coming, he's coming!
Yo! What did I say? Yo!
Strike two.
We're getting filmed over here to your
You
right.
got-
Dude, can I do the honors of putting it in there?
What?
What?
Can I do the honors of putting the oil in your car?
Oh yeah, of course.
Dude, we put some oil in it. You want to get a run in with the D? This thing's slow as fuck. Swear to God.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right.
It's for fun though.
I'm a little shaky. I did just chug a Red Bull. You tell me when to stop, sir.
I think that's good.
Thank you for letting me do the honors.
Oh, you got the diesel out 335D?
Right there, right there.
It's right there, bro.
Oh, yeah. Yo, you want to get running? What do you got? 40.
Yo, let's go. All three.
Let's
Yo.
go. Racers, I'm coming. We're gonna lose. We're on meth, XHP stage 3, and D-flasher stage 2. So we're making like 600 torque and like 2 horsepower. Oh, 40. 40? 40.
No, he jumped.
He did jump, I think.
He did jump.
Hold on, I want to do it again though. Come back. Okay.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Holy shit!
Oh.
Oh my God!
Yo.
There, go.
Wait, was that a fair race?
I mean, you pulled on him.
I definitely pulled on him.
You definitely pulled on him.
I'm fucking up bad. Sorry guys, new here. Well, the cops showed up. You got me a little letter in the mail this evening. Hi Wyatt, I've been following you since demodding the OG 335 in your parents' garage. OG cars, we're tinkering with it still. That's why the uploads have been seriously slow lately, because old Orange is taking our time. But he sent us this little doohickey. I didn't even know it was coming. It just showed up on my doorstep one evening. Bluetooth EGR. This is EPA compliant, clearly, because we are in 2026 now. So Bluetooth EGR, it just, they talk. Not every day, just on the weekend. They just check in with each other. And then at the bottom, caught me a little off guard. It said, tell Travis if he shows me his D, I'll send him my parts for free. Don't tell Travis that. He'll send you a whole helicopter video. So we have to remove this whole EGR modulator stuff right here. And I'm a little concerned about all these little whatnots up in here because we don't have any room for the whatnots with the Bluetooth. We're gonna figure it out one way or the other. And as you can tell, I've never been more prepared for EPA compliant activities in my life the way I'm dressed. Good Lord, she gunked up. What was that thing getting into? Take a little lick. Oh, you're nasty.
Take a lick. I licked it.
Dude, that thing is black. Good Lord.
Just how I like it.
Bluetooth EGR is fully installed now, so we have the transmitter down yonder. You can't really see it, but I promise we hooked both of them up to the Bluetooth, and they're talking to each other, doing EPA compliant things via Bluetooth. So that's great technology that we have in 2026. Allegedly, we removed the EGR that came factory with it, along with all these little coolant things. The kit from Beamer Brothers is actually very fire. It came with all the coolant block offs. I didn't even know coolant ran through the EGR. This diesel shit's all new to me. I also unplugged a lot of shit, so I hope there's no codes. How many miles per gallon you get?
18 and a half, but that's just due to driving habits.
Hey, you know what this sound like? This sound like 40 miles per gallon.
And behind the SUV.
No, it's the exact same.
What do we bet?
Whoever loses has to do an absolute vodka shooter.
Okay.
Sorry to interrupt today's video, but today's video is sponsored by Rockform. I recently just picked up his iPhone 17 right here. Nice and orange, nice and fragile. I recently just ditched my $10 mall phone case for this Rockform one right here. First off, it looks slick Rick. Second off, my favorite personal part that I've been using is the MagSafe strip right here, along with a magnet at the bottom that will not erase any of your credit cards. It has a very strong magnet on the back, so you can pretty much stick it to anything, just like that. Solid. I've been using it for this. Hey guys, welcome to my outfit of the days. That's what I've been using it for, because it sticks anywhere, so I've been using it for like random, look at that, look at me, on the wall. Rockform also features this on their phone cases, so it has this twist lock feature there that if you have a bike or a motorcycle, you can use that as a mount. They sell much more than just phone cases. They sell screen protectors, which I have on my phone, and this camera protector, which I also have on my phone, along with plenty of phone accessories. So right here is a car mount. A lot of my cars, all of my cars don't have no CarPlay. So when I got somewhere to be, Rockform's got me covered. I throw that bad boy up there. It's a great place to put my phone when I'm driving. Plus this little gadget right here. It's like a little kickstand right there. Look at that, that's my personal favorite YouTuber right there. So if you care about your phone's protection, go ahead and hit the link in the description. Check out Rockform. They got plenty of iPhone accessories. Thank you to Rockform for sponsoring today's video. Well, we're racing Travis's B58 X3. That is stage 2. It makes like 450 wheel, I think, for an absolute vodka shooter. Whoever loses has to take a shot, which honestly, Travis probably wouldn't be too mad if he lost. He might sandbag just for an excuse to take the shot. 1, 2, 3. I was not expecting that, and I know Travis was not expecting that. 1, 2, 3. Yes, sir! Dude, that is surprising. I thought it was B58 the world.
I got enough pepper in the tank, man. I don't know what to tell you.
Hey, did you sandbag just so you could take the shot?
No, actually, I was giving her everything. It's all right. With you making 9,000 foot-pounds of torque and like 1,000 pounds lighter, I mean, I'm not too upset about it.
I mean, that was not the outcome I thought it was going to be. He lost the bet, so he has to take that. I beat him in a race.
Just by a little bit.
No.
Just by a little.
Oh, we got him good.
Just one shot? That's a good bet.
It's a weak bet.
He's only getting one shot.
No, he ended up with 2.
Oh, he grew up. Yeah, he grew up and had 2 of them. We're gonna test the 335Ds, 60 to 130. Stock is 14 to 15 seconds. Tune and deleted commonly gets 9.6 to 11 seconds, and highly modified is sub 9s. So if we get anywhere from 9 to 11 seconds with 3 people in here, then I think our D is pretty fast.
Valid D.
I mean, dude, 9 to 11 seconds worth of D? Not
good
bad.
time.
It's a good time, at least. 60 to 130 going down right meow. This thing's just slow as balls, which makes your X3 super slow.
Hey, watch it. I got you on top end if we had room.
Plus,
all right, so the celebration of literally life. I survived the 60 to 130 in the Wiggly D. Now we're gonna drink a little bit of Scott E. In front of the vent is crazy.
we got a lot of shade coming from the back.
Yeah.
Oh, we might have a mishap.
I hear some flapping.
Found it, son! Dude, there is the biggest bubble in the world in that tire. Like a fat bubble. Yeah.
That is so unsafe.
Wow. Jesus! Dude, that is bad. You won't poke it with a knife?
Give me a knife.
Oh my God. Dude, I can't hear. Oh my god, I can't hear. I can't hear.
Shit is ringing.
Somebody do a flashbang. Oh my god, it disintegrated the blade.
What?
Oh my god.
What did you say?
It might be the loudest sound I've ever heard in my life.
That's about 50 PSI worth of kaboom.
Good morning. How we doing? We are racing today. Hopefully.
I just need you guys to print and sign the waiver, please.
Yes, ma'am.
What are you doing?
We're, where are we?
Middle of nowhere, Pennsylvania.
We're in the middle of nowhere in Pennsylvania. We got some serious pow down on the ground. 6 inches of pow over there.
That's
4 inches of pow over there. I've actually never felt more in the middle of nowhere in my entire life. On the way here, we passed more cows than I've ever ate.
bro. There was a peacock.
There was a peacock on the way here. Anyways, we are doing a no prep race event with the Big D. Right now, we got the little shitters on the back because my slicks are running really, really low on tread. So I didn't feel like making the road trip and dying. Don't know how this is gonna go. The roads are a little wet, to say the least. So it's a no prep event. We start at the back end of the track. We do the whole thing in reverse. Well, not actually in reverse, but we go from the back of the track and drive forward. Anyways, we're gonna go with the racers because they're all the way over there. We're the only non-trailered car here. If you look to our right, and then if you look in front of us, everyone brought a trailer. Everyone's got big dick money, and I've got a little D that I just drove here. Wait, there's parachutes. I was not prepared for this.
I don't think we're qualified for this event.
Well, I paid $150 to get my ass whooped. Oh man, we gotta make light out of this somehow. We're gonna get gapped all day. All I know is the diesel is here. I am here with my
Just buy that?
Yeah.
Hey, hey.
We are in for one today, fellas. Because I'm not seeing anything so far that we're gonna beat. Oh, well, that guy looks easy. Easy pickings over there.
I want whatever you're on, dude.
All I gotta do is open up that little meth cap, get you a little.
Shit.
We're running 9.
It feels like the first time. Feels like the very
So we pretty much just donated to the cause. So I did the whole driver's meeting and I paid $150 buy-in because you win money if you win the street race event. I didn't know that, so we just donated to the cause, but that's okay.
You brought the wrong car.
We brought a 12-second diesel and we're racing a Blazer with a 5,000 millimeter turbo. So we're gonna get absolutely burnt. Hey, you got faith in her?
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Hey, we got the best miles to the gallon here though.
I don't doubt that he gets great miles.
So we got that going for us.
We need all the faith
Good
we can
gas
get.
mileage, but definitely gonna lose for sure. And then I had to do $65 insurance for the day, so that's good stuff. $225 down the drain. So we're pulling up to the lanes right now. There's like so many people crowded down there that I'm gonna have stage fright. My D's gonna have a little bit of
Shrinkage.
scared. We'll be all right. I'm just gonna get embarrassed, but.
I mean, you gotta think though. That's only a handful of people that are gonna actually watch this video.
True, but it's different when, you know, when they're like in person, it's a little more nervous. He's got a big crowd going on right now. It spun so bad. Oh, that's so annoying. I mean, I knew we were gonna lose anyways, but fuck, that is embarrassing.
That was not ideal.
It spun so bad. Right? Like, what the fuck? I did a burnout, right? Like a decent
I didn't
burnout?
see a burnout. Like that wheel did not move.
Open diff. Well, we embarrassed ourselves for $225.
Can you run again?
Sure. We called out a manual Golf R right there. It's got a lot of stickers on, so we know what that means.
50 horsepower each.
The minimum. This might be our closest race. So, longer burnout, and then hopefully we don't slip that bad.
I'm not even recording this one. That BMW pissed me off.
Yeah.
Why did it piss you off?
BMW?
What? It's a diesel.
Is the BMW your boy?
Yeah.
Poor guy.
Why does it piss you off though? It's a diesel.
Diesel shouldn't be out here.
What are you talking? It's got 600 foot-pounds of torque.
Does it really?
Yeah. Now it might not look like it, but I promise you it does.
that?
Dude, it just spins. Like I don't know what it is.
Were you
Yeah,
catching him?
Oh yeah.
I was
yeah.
gonna say, once you got going, you were pretty good.
Yeah, if this thing hooked, it was gonna beat him for sure. But that was a much longer burnout, right? Like
I personally did not see a burnout.
really?
That side is not spinning.
See, it's the open diff shit.
I heard it. I didn't see it.
I don't know. All I know is this D needs to seriously get a blue chew, aka
took the
like,
words right out of my mouth.
bigger turbo, because it's cool. It gets good gas mileage, but
He's that rhino pill.
it's not fast. It needs a rhino pill to get
Yeah.
that motherfucker.
Oh!
We are in Guatemala, Mexico. It was a long drive after renting $225 at the race event today, but it's okay. Donate to the cause, racing.
Yeah.
That's what this D is here for. That's what the D stands for, is donate.
Oh,
I'd say,
yeah, that was good.
All right, so now we are street racing in Mexico. And we're racing, what are they again?
Q5s.
Q5s. So that Q5 and that Q5.
3.0 supercharged.
And they kind of look cool.
Someone's a little excited. Yeah! How many of these have you had?
A lot. I need something. If the D is not gonna give it to me, then I gotta give it to the D.
Ready? Go.
We beat the Q5 and we almost got the M240.
Brakes.
Oh,
fuck!
Wait, we won. Those were good races.
That was really good. Dude, that was so good! The D!
The D is catching dogs right now. This is a serious comeback from earlier today.
Oh, 100%.
This D is feeling right. Who, Camaro? He's right here. Oh, you? You trying to run that shit? I got a slow little D over there for you. It's the big D.
What even is that?
It's literally a 335D. The lead-in tube. 40 miles to the gallon. You wanna get it running?
Go.
It's alright. If I'm gonna donate to anyone, it's gonna be an M54 car. Alright, now on to the slow car.
Oh my god!
Go.
He said, just go!